See, I'm going to run this finer stuff through the chain mill first. Now, before adding that much material from a dead dig with this motor, yeah, it wouldn't even go probably. And yeah, it's a little gushy, but this guy here will snap to life. Just like that. That dude's been running for about 5 minutes or so, and you can see a little bit of fluff coming off the top now, right? Yeah, it's similar to like flour in here. So shut that dude right off. I got pretty much all that fine iron dust washed off there, but a good piece of gold right there, it looks like to me, at the tip of my finger. This might be a nice piece of gold here too. Full blast 400. So yeah, it'll dry this stuff up pretty quick. Yep. So you know, it took a few minutes to let's see what this dude weighs here. Oh yeah, 29.3. So I'm going to run Hard Rock University's Eva, actually, her recipe. 36 grams of, 37 grams actually, of silica. So according to Eva's recipe, I need 160 grams, actually 162. 30 gram, we got roughly 30 gram sample, right? So 29 and change, 40. Ooh, 159, tiny bit more. There we go, 162. I'm gonna chunk that in the pile here. According to her recipe, I need roughly 51 grams of this borax. 51, right? There we go, 51 and change. So I need roughly 30 grams of litharge, so it'll be much more disseminated in the recipe than just chunks of lead. So yeah, we'll add that there. It's a smidge over, but that's okay. We're supposed to add 3 grams of charcoal, so give this dude a little workage here before I go get that charcoal. And mix this dude up a little bit more here. Get stirred up well. It's slightly over half, just a smidge over half. So yeah, it should be just fine. Should be probably good enough there. Yeah, just come up the temp here and see what happened. So it's getting red already. Yeah, it is 1400. So yeah, one by one, baby. Yeah, almost 1600 now on the material. And it's they quit fussing around, you know, boiling. What we get. What we get. It's gonna overflow. Oh, that's okay as long as the metal's in the bottom. Okay. Whiskey. It said. Yeah, that's pretty glassy stuff. Yeah. Looks very clear to me. Hopefully there's no metal hanging in it. Anyway, well, let's sit here for a few minutes and cool its jets and then we'll get it out of there. Dude, it's probably cool enough now here. Oh yeah. 350. Yeah. Right. There it goes. All right, that looks pretty good. Button. There should be. We'll go weigh that dude in here, see what we got. Pretty glassy looking stuff, but I can see a little bead of metal there, right? So, stuff's still pretty hot. Yeah, all in all, very glassy looking, but yeah, one little bead right there. Says this dude weighs 21 grams. 21.1. Okay, good. A little air. Enough right there. Yeah, it's already up to 15, so yeah. It's doing its thing. I think it's oxidizing nicely, so let her go. You got that fan on there. Get a little air blowing across this thing so it oxidizes a little better. Oh yeah, she's starting to flash nice. Maybe you can see it flashing off there. She's getting smaller. Yep. Hopefully don't disappear. Oh. Shut her down because I don't see it oxidizing anymore, so I think that's it. But yeah, we'll get that thing out of there and see what we get. Yeah, it's microbe size. Tiny, tiny, tiny again. If that thing's got anything in there. Maybe. We'll look around in there and see what we got. So once again, we got a micro button here. Looks like the same kind of stuff though, you know. Silver, probably gold, platinum, and palladium. However, very, very small. In the crucible, I could see a few, little pieces in there. So, yeah, a few little pieces of metal. So I'll knock those out and we'll get those also and see what the heck they are. I think there's a couple of hunks of metal in there. I don't think I got all of it out of there, but just about. As we get going and stuff, I don't know if you guys can see those sparks flying, but yeah, it should be iron. Yeah, there you go. That should be a good one. But anyway, yeah, it's got quite a bit of iron in there, which of course I suspected anyway. Yeah, I dumped that material out of that crucible into this mold. Quickly bust it through here. Yeah, it's got a little bit of grit in there. Okay, let's see what happened. I'll wash this dude right on in there. Nitric acid here. I'm going with a fairly substantial amount. Yeah, it's about 25 right there. Yeah, dilute nitric acid like that won't touch that gold or that platinum. It'll also put that palladium into solution. Yeah, so when we get the gold and platinum, I'd be pretty happy. Cook it now, baby. It looks pretty gnarly. But you can see some material on the bottom, so that's good. I'll run it through this filter here real quick. I'm gonna melt that dude up here. See what we get. Hopefully we get a little bead. Could be some precious metals in there now. We got rid of the junk. Well, folks, once again, once I got down to the root of it there was a couple little tiny beads in there, and I couldn't get them hardly to coagulate into one, bead, and they're tiny. So I just basically dumped out that borax and that material and those beads, and then smashed it and panned out a little bit of the junk, and then threw it into some dilute sulfuric, try and burn up that borax and whatnot in there. There's a couple little beads in there. I'll show you here a little later, but dang, yeah, tough material so far, man. That dude's dripping pretty good. Yeah, I think we got what we can get off of it, and get those beads out of there. We'll take a look at them. I dumped our material back in the crucible after the sulfuric, the dilute sulfuric wash. Yeah, it's kind of grody, so we'll try and melt it with a button now. So dang. Yeah, trying to get this into a bead that you can actually see. Yeah, there's our magnificent bead again. So I melted all of the buttons and everything I got so far out of this ore from Washington. And of course, it looks very silvery, so again, it's almost 80%, 78% silver and 20% gold, and basically 1% platinum and palladium. Okay, 0.5. We'll call it 0.5. Yeah, 0.5 so far total. So 20%, so 2 times, basically a tenth of gold. Yeah. And so yeah, it's pretty hardcore to spend that much time getting that, but whatever, it's fun. I've learned a lot, so yeah. I still got more to do, so I'll finish it off.
3, 2, 1.